Alright guys, here's example 2. And again, we have to ensure that we check to see if the quadratic is in this form. And you would agree that the quadratic is in fact in that form. And you can clearly see in this particular case here, A is 8, B is positive 24, and C is 10. All right. Now, again, the objective is to break this middle piece into 2 pieces, so we end up, instead of having 1, 2, 3 terms, we have 4, and then we can factorize by grouping. So we just want to point out that the value of B here is 24, and AC again means A times C, which means 8 times 10, which is 80. And again, the focus is on this line where we need to we need to find the factors of 80. So the factors of 80 are 1, 2, 4, 5, and just to show you what's happening here, 1 times 80 is 80, 2 times 40 is 80, 4 times 20 is 80, 5 times 16 is 80. Another factor would be 8. 8 times 10 is 80. And the next one I think would be 10. And I see it's starting to repeat itself here. So we don't need to go any further because the next factor would be 16. So we've listed all of them. We've listed all the factors, right? So here's the thing. We want to know which of these, and we're looking at the numbers here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 factors of 80. And we want to know which of these 2 combinations add to give it 24. And when you multiply them, you get 80. So which of these numbers here, look at this set and look at that set. Which of those 2 numbers here, when you multiply them, you get 80. And when you add them, you're going to get 24. And it would appear as if these 2 would work, because in this particular case here, 4 and 20, if you multiply 4 times 20, you're going to get 80. And if you add 4 plus 20, you're going to get positive 24, which is what we have here. So the numbers that you're looking for, the 2 numbers, I could have listed these all the way down, but I just want to show you how easy it is to get the factors, right? So I just want to show you guys that essentially the 2 numbers that you're looking for, when you multiply them together, you should get 80, and when you add them together, you should get 24. That's the significance of this here in green. Okay, so now I know how to split this, because I'm going to split this using positive 4 and positive 20. So essentially that's how I'm going to split the 24x. So it's going to become 4x plus 24x. And I'm going to proceed here with the solution to this question. So I'm just going to come here so we can see everything together. So I'm going to proceed now with the solution. So again, I'm going to have 8x squared plus 24x plus 10. So I'm going to break up this middle piece now into 4x plus 20x, which is what we got from this here. So it's going to be 8x squared plus 4x plus 20x. And it doesn't really matter whether I put the 20x here first or the 4x here. You're going to get the correct answer anyway. So it doesn't matter which one comes first, right? And then plus 10. And then what we're going to do now is proceed to factorize by grouping. So when you look at those 2 terms here, what's common? And you can clearly see that 4x is common. So I'm going to factor out the 4x. 4x times 2x is going to give me 8x squared. And 4x times 1 is going to give me back 4x. Now, to deal with the back 2. So if you look closely here, positive 10 can be factored out. So you would have 2x here and plus 1, because 10 times 2x gives me 20x, and 10 times 1 gives me back 10. So the final answer after factorizing this quadratic expression would be 4x plus 10 that we got from here, and then 2x plus 1. So that would be the solution to this question. So I'm going to end the video here, and then we're going to come back with a third example.